These bad dance make it hurt.
With so many latest trends popping up all the time, staying updated with our fashion and clothing can be a hassle. I'm not saying that we need to follow every trend coming up, but keeping our fashion and style updated will enable us to stay with the time. It will send a better impression to anyone we are interacting with. I like to stay fresh when it comes to fashion and outfit, and there are many people who like to do the same. But the problem with staying up to date with every upcoming new fashion, every new season, that it can get quite expensive. And if you are on a budget and you don't have a lot of cash to spend on clothing, you think you need to wear boring outdated clothes. But let me tell you, you are not even remotely correct. Even if you are on a budget and you don't want to spend a lot of money on clothing, you can still be stylish and fashionable. You just need to look a little hard and develop a sense of fashion and style. So to show you that it is possible to keep your style updated with the latest fashion in a budget, I decided to do some shopping for the summer. And I tried getting fits which will enable me to keep my style updated with the latest trend. I also made sure that I don't buy any fake or copy products. And I also chose clothing in such a way that I can get maximum number of outfits and none of my fits goes over $1,000. After a long thorough search online, I ordered 6 pieces of clothing and everything costed me just around $3,000. I got 3 tops and 3 bottoms. For the tops, I got 3 t-shirts, 2 tie-dye printed t-shirt and 1 plain maroon t-shirt. The reason I got those tie-dye prints because not only tie-dye prints looks amazing on summer, but most tie-dye prints are very lightweight and comfortable t-shirts. They just provide such a summery vibe. So tie-dye prints are going to be popping this summer and I wanted to flex some tie-dye prints. And nobody can ever go wrong with the plain maroon t-shirts. I got all my tops from Myntra.com. For the bottoms, I got 1 short, 1 jeans and 1 track pant. I got everything in black as I feel black is the most versatile color when it comes to outfit. You can pair black with almost any color and it will look amazing. I got the jeans and the short from Myntra.com. They are quite cheap yet very fashionable and stylish. Moreover, Myntra had some discounts going on, so I got them even cheaper. And I got my track pant from a website called AJ Customs. I found out about AJ Customs on Instagram. They have an amazing collection of high quality track pants at an incredibly cheap price. Now that I have all my orders, it's time to show you how these clothes are looking. So let's have a look.